Good day, everyone. So, today, I'm going to give you two problems, word problems, wherein you're going to identify if that problem is a population or if that problem is a statistics. And after that, you have to use the formula required for the population to find for the population mean, variance, and standard deviation. And also, if that problem is a sample, you have to you have to use the formula for finding the mean of the sample, variance, and standard deviations. Okay, then later I will send you the link wherein you are going to be feed in the answer. Okay, so anyway, I will just give enough more time for you to do that. Maybe I will require you that to fill the data, and the due date will be today, but maybe in the evening. Okay, so here's the problem. For problem number one, this is the problem. Tell me whether this is a population or a statistic. Okay? The problem goes like this. Number one, if we consider the entire student population enrolled in the statistics and probability, let's say 500 enrollees with average scores per quarter 73, quarter 2 77, quarter 3 83, and quarter 4 81 respectively. What is the mean, variance, and standard deviation of their batch standings considering these average scores? Okay, number two problem is, tell me whether this is a statistics or population. It says here, for a random sample of 100 students from the class with scores of 73 and 77 in quarters 1 and 2 respectively, representing the first semester, and scores of 68 and 80 in quarter 3 and 4 respectively, representing the second semester, what is the mean, variance, and standard deviations of their batch standings considering these scores? Okay, so I will provide you here the formula. If you think, let's say, problem number one, okay, is a statistics, so you have to use this formula to find for the mean, this formula of the sample, statistics man. Okay, so for the mean, we have 1 over small n times the summation of x. For the variance, representing s squared is equals to 1 over n minus 1 times the summation of the square of the quantity of x minus the mean, and whatever the result of the variance, you just get the square root, and that is your standard deviation. Okay, if you think the problem is a population, if the problem is population, okay, this is the formula for the mean to find for the population. Mu is equals to 1 times n, 1 divided by n times the summation of x. And for the variance, okay, take note, it's capital N. Huh? This is not similar with the sample. It represents small letter n. Okay, so whatever the result of your variance, you just get the standard deviation. That would be the value of your standard deviation if you get the square root. Okay. Later class, I will send you the link where you're going to feed in your answer in the Google form. So my suggestion is if you can go get together with your classmates, okay, to help one another to answer this, okay, the better. Okay, so that you can borrow the mobile phone of your classmates. Okay, so I will send the link maybe tonight, and you have to feed in the data tonight. But be sure you have to do that today, or else once it's overdue, take note. I don't consider overdue. I want your submission to be on time. Okay, that is to practice for you the time management. Okay, I will check your scores later. Bye bye.